Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to use a grill brick on a flat top grill. Heat the flat top to medium, scrape loose debris, and hold the brick at a shallow angle to the surface. Use short, overlapping strokes and apply even pressure to avoid scratches. Wipe away residue between passes, then re-season with oil to restore a protective layer and prevent rust while preserving flavor on your cooking surface. Warm the flat top slightly to loosen stuck-on food, so the grill brick can lift residues without chipping the finish. Move the brick in controlled strokes across small sections, checking that you remove buildup evenly and not dig into the metal. After cleaning, wipe the surface with a damp cloth to remove grit, then apply a thin coat of cooking oil to restore seasoning and protect the flat top from moisture and rust formation. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video so I can make more useful content. Quick recommendation: after a day of griddle smoke, pop a little Tree's black ice in your car to mask lingering barbecue smells and keep things pleasant on the drive home. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Inspect your grill brick regularly and swap it out when its edge is round or it holds stubborn grease that won't come clean. Keep maintenance simple. Avoid harsh cleaners that remove seasoning and focus on heat, scraping, and re-oiling the flat top after each deep clean. Store the brick in a dry spot away from food prep areas to keep it sanitary, and keep a small bottle of oil nearby so you can quickly re-season after any heavy cleaning session.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.